Hello grade 11, happy Monday morning. We are going to do a sorting program now, and that is this one over here, activity 2 number 1 on page 251. Last week I described the selection sort algorithm to you, so if you didn't understand it, go back and watch the video again. This is a very simple program. Read 10 numbers into an array and display the numbers in ascending order from the lowest to the highest number. Alright, so we get into it. There's a button for reading 10 numbers and a button for sorting, and because we're going to use the array in both of these buttons, we must declare a global array. So let's go and do that. Declare global array, because we're going to use it in both. So we can either put it over here or we can put it underneath the private section here. ARR numbers colon array. They're going to be 10 of integer. We don't need a counter because we know we're going to have exactly 10 inserted into that array. Now how are we going to put 10 numbers into the array? In the read 10 numbers button, we're just going to use a for loop and put a random number in. For k equals, so I'm going to make a var a k integer data type for k equals 1 to 10. Do and then I'll say ARR numbers box number k equals, k is going to go from 1 to 10, random range. What shall we put on numbers? As 1 to 100, let's do 1 to 100, so 1 comma 101. Random range has got a red underline, so I better go and put math here, math in my uses section. So there we have put 10 random numbers into our array called AR numbers. Right, now in the button sort the 10 numbers, well, in the sort we have to have two variables to sort. I always use k and l. You can use anything else if you want, but I memorize this. We also need a temporary variable for the swapping process. So for sorting, for selection sort, we have two nested for loops. The first one, I normally say for k equals 1 to 1 less than the box, than the number of indices, and then the second for loop goes from it's our L for the second for loop counter. We use L, and it's going from k plus 1 to 10 in this case, to the very last box, and then we're going to do a begin and end. So in the begin and end here we say if ARR numbers k, if it's greater than AR numbers L, then we must swap. Or you can do it the other way around. If L is less than, we're doing it in ascending order, less than k, you can do it either way. If box number L is less than box number k, then we must have begin and end, because we're going to do a swap. I'm going to say I temp equals to one of them. You can decide which one you want to use. I'll use L. Then I'll say AR numbers L will be equal to AR numbers K, and then AR numbers K must have a value. It's going to be I temp. Right, now to demonstrate, you can say temp will be k, and then you've got to give k, make it equal to L, and then make L equal to I temp. Either way it will work, and that is your sorting algorithm done. Simple as that. And this is just one array that we are sorting, Now I'm going to display it. I'll use a for loop counter. I'm not going to declare another for loop counter. I can use k equals 1 to 10. We're going to display the numbers in our memo or regex. In this case it's a memo. So there's the memo, memout dot lines dot add. Now remember that the array is an array of integers, so we're going to say int to string, and in brackets AR numbers, square brackets k. And there's your very first sorting algorithm done. And that was simple, wasn't it? Easy peasy. So I'm going to run the program and click on read. Oh, I forgot to go and enable. We have to enable that button called btn sort. Btn sort dot enabled equals true. Oh, that must go in the other code, eh? This code, yeah. The btn read click event. Right, let's go and do it and sort. So there they are. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What if you want to reverse the order from highest to lowest? Then all you do is change this sign here to greater than, and now it's going to go from the highest number to the lowest number. And there you have it. Right, so that was easy, eh? So you try this on your own without looking at the video, and then you will be sorted.